Hello viewers, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been launched by Samsung on 17th January in India. A lot of things have been changed in this new flagship smartphone from the last year's S23 Ultra. The S24 Ultra delivers a seamless fusion of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Its stunning 6.8 inches flat Super AMOLED display offers vibrant visuals with 120Hz refresh adaptive rays. HDR content on this display is a treat to the eyes. Initially, I thought that the flat display will not impress me, but I was wrong. Moreover, the problem of applying tempered glass will be solved due to flat display. This time S24 Ultra is more durable design thanks to the new titanium build. The front and back is made of Corning Gorilla Glass armor protection. The sides are made of titanium. This time Samsung has given priority to the build quality, and the build quality really stands out. Samsung has carried forwarded the design from the S22 Ultra, but this is also some finer changes here and there that you can feel while holding the device in your hand. With 120Hz of refresh rate, the display feels very snappy, and the color algorithm and the color science of Samsung is always the best in the Android market as well as in the mobile market. S24 Ultra comes with One UI 6.1 and Android 14, so you will get tons of customization. Moreover, Samsung has introduced Galaxy AI with a lot of AI features included in this phone that you can use while your phone is offline or online. Samsung has promised that this phone will get 7 years of major Android update. That is a very good news. S24 Ultra comes with 200 megapixel wide-angle sensor, 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens and 50 megapixel 5x telephoto lens. The quality of the images will be very good. At the front you will get 12 megapixel selfie shooter. In the videography department, the phone can shoot up to 8K 30 fps. You can see by yourself the quality of the main sensor is excellent. This phone will never disappoint you whether it is photography or videography. As the phone comes with One UI 6.1, it comes with lots of preloaded AI features, and the wallpapers you can see all the new wallpapers you can get with S24 Ultra series. Currently, Samsung has the best UI, that is One UI, and with One UI 6.1, lot of AI features has been included. Using S24 Ultra's camera, you can shift between various focal length in the videography section, and you can take various kinds of portrait shot. And in videography, the main sensor can shoot up to 4K 8K 30 fps, and all the cameras are capable of shooting 4K 60 fps, as you can see here. Whenever you shift to 8K videos, you can shoot in 1x and 5x. That is a very good thing. So in terms of videography, this will give you a very good stabilization and very good detailed videography. However, if you compare it with iPhone 15 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max will be better in terms of videography. Other than that, S24 Ultra will be a very good choice for photography and also casual videography. The selfie shooter also can shoot up to 4K 60 fps, so I think this will be a great buy in 2024 if you want a better flagship camera and better handset with all the features. If you have any question regarding S24 Ultra, do let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.